Mr. Chris B. Martin.
Wow.
Okay, oil spills still going on in the Gulf of Mexico. BP's going to try something called a top kill. That doesn't work. They're going to do something called a jump shot, which consists of pumping golf balls, shredded tires, and broken Barack Obama campaign promises into the blowout preventer. The spill is getting out of control. The other day, my goldfish coughed up a tarball. Some suspicion about the sexual orientation of the Supreme Court Justice nominee, Elena Kagan. Based on the way she looks, I'd say she's munching something, probably quarter pounders. Thank you. Final season of bad news is final season of Law and Order canceled after 20 seasons. The good news is that Law and Order Shopping Cart Recovery Unit and Law and Order Mattress Tag Removal Squad are still in development. Anyone watching the final episode of Lost?
Yes.
I particularly like the ending where Gilligan woke up and found out that it was all a dream. The movie is out. It's now official. Owen Wilson is in the young Owen Wilson phase of his career. Roman Polanski in 2002 received the Palme d'Or from judges at Cannes. This year he's going to be getting the Palme de Ruthie from the judge in LA. Is this a great country or what? The new Miss USA allows us to both objectify Arab Americans and also profile them. So, usually that gets a laugh. Law in Arizona, the immigration law is causing controversy whereby police can stop you and check your ID. If you don't look like you belong here, another news, Jesse Jarvis will be checking your papers as you leave the door of this restaurant. And inside joke, Jesse's an Indian. Problem with immigrants in this country, illegal immigrants in this country, is part of this country wants them to get off their lawn, and the other part of this country wants them to work on their lawn. Rand Paul thinks that restaurants should be allowed to discriminate. He's missing the point. 50 years ago, if you love black people, you were trying to get them to seat at the lunch counter. Now, if you love black people, you're trying to get them to step away from the lunch counter. McDonald's has killed a whole lot of black people, more black people than the KKK ever did. The boys in the hood were really serious about killing black people. They'd be handing out free coupons for quarter pounders to the boys in the hood. So I'm really tired of these jokes. You might be the meme, you might be a redneck if. I'm starting a new meme. It's called You Might Be a Hooters Waitress if. For example, you might be a Hooters waitress if you wear orange shorts and have large breasts. You might be a Hooters waitress if your body's found in a dumpster wrapped in plastic. I did not write that joke. Josh Chaucer wrote that joke. Credit where credit is due. So the Boy Scouts are giving out an award now for watching video games, and the Sodomy Award is still in the works. My name is Chris Martin. Thank you very much.
Chris Martin, funny as always. Chris, is Owen Wilson the broken nose one?
The blonde one.
Yeah, he's the blonde one. Didn't he try and kill himself?
Yes, he did.
He wasn't even good at that, was he?
He was dating Janine Garofalo. That explains it.
Was he?
Yes.
I would have killed her.